Ayan mga kalutong bahay, hotdog on a bun. Siguradong magugustuhan ng mga bata. Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to cook hotdog buns. Okay, so si Nanay ngayon, hinahati niya yung hotdog. Nanay?
So I buttered these buns.
Oh yeah, may butter yung buns sa loob. Tingnan nyo. Wait. Hindi nila makita. Okay, there's butter inside.
So
okay.
I would heat up the buns first in a pan.
So now, nilagay na natin yung buttered part nung bun natin. Okay. Wala na tong oil. Okay. The butter will act as oil. Okay, so ngayon nilalagay na natin yung hotdog. And may nilagay tayo na konting oil. Oh, ngayon pa lang natin ilalagay. Eh? Okay, so now natapos na natin siya. Nilalagay na natin yung hotdog sa loob ng bun. And then, we'll be putting in some of the ketchup and mayonnaise. So there you have it, hot dog on a bun. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next ones. Oh, make sure to subscribe ha. Bye bye.